Hi everyone, this is Jason and this is I Speak Geek. Thank you for joining me and welcome to the channel. This channel, I just started, kind of nervous, trying to get out there and just do what I love doing the most, and that is talk about tech. And today I want to talk to you about the KeyChron K4. This is the third keyboard from KeyChron. Some of you may have heard of them with their wireless mechanical keyboard, especially made for Mac computers. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Hey everyone, this is the KeyChron K4. So this is actually the third offering from KeyChron. Some of you may know them from their Kickstarter campaign. And this keyboard, I have to say, is their best keyboard just because it has more options. Prior, their keyboards were a little bit more compact and they were missing the number pad. And then as somebody who does a lot of stuff with numbers and does some light coding, this is definitely something that I was missing in my last keyboard from them. Like I said before, I had the K2 and that number pad was absent from that keyboard. So these keyboards come with multiple options. So there's their KeyChron switch, which is kind of a Cherry MX clone, and there's their optical switch. If you're familiar with the Razer Huntsman, it's kind of similar to that keyboard. So I decided to go with the optical switches just because of the responsiveness of the keyboard. I noticed that it's not quite as loud as the KeyChron switch keyboard. I went with the blue switches. Blue switches tend to clink and clank a little bit more than the other switches. Are a lot louder, and but I love that beautiful keyboard music. I'll give you a quick sample of it. As you can hear, definitely a very clackiest noise to it. I decided to get this keyboard for one specific reason, because it offered Mac keys. There are very few keyboards that offer the Mac layout and that are mechanical. The best options out there so far are the ones made by Apple themselves, but this is definitely a great substitution for that keyboard. And it comes in multiple options. It can come with an aluminum frame or a plastic frame. You can use it with Windows computers or you can use it with Mac computers. There's extra keycaps in the box. And it comes with this beautiful braided cable, very durable. It's USB-C. There's a big battery in this keyboard. It's a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So this keyboard has a lot of versatility. As you can see, on the side there are switches from changing the modes for this keyboard. You can go from Windows to Mac. That actually includes Android or iOS devices. Or you can go from Bluetooth to cable. This keyboard is Bluetooth 3.0. You shouldn't notice any connection issues. I wish it would have been Bluetooth 5.0 just because of the lower latency, the better power management that comes with Bluetooth 5.0. But I can't really complain about it. It gets the job done. You're able to disable the sleep function because this keyboard does tend to go to sleep whenever you're in Bluetooth mode. So for now, I have it plugged up, wired, even though I'm kind of a stickler for cables, but you know, rather than charge this keyboard all the time, I'm okay with this option. And really can't say anything else about the keyboard. It's a solid product, one of the best keyboards they have made to date. And I think you guys would be served to check it out. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, definitely go over to KeyChron site. And I think they are on Amazon right now. So you're probably not waiting a long time like I did to get this keyboard. I actually waited over a month or two. I did get on the Kickstarter for this keyboard just because I ordered the K2 and was on that Kickstarter. So I was familiar with the process, wasn't up in arms like, oh, I'm never going to get my keyboard. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments.
All right, that was my review for the KeyChron K4 wireless mechanical keyboard. So if you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't, but I hope you did. Subscribe, hit that notification button so you can know when we drop new videos, and I'll try to get them out as soon as possible. This is a new venture for me, so I'm trying to tweak it the best I can just to make sure I give you the best quality videos out there. And again, thank you for tuning in. This is Jason. This is I Speak Geek. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.